How to disable Instagram messages. This is what we're going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, you have to open Instagram app on your mobile. As you open Instagram app on your mobile, then you have to go down into the profile option that is located down below, and then you have to go on these three lines that are located up above and click on that. But after clicking on that, you have to go on settings option. As you go on the settings option, you have to go on accounts option, or in here you have the option to go on private or privacy option. As you click on privacy option, you have to scroll down and go to messages option, and over here you will have the option of messages. Now you will be able to potential connections. You change the potential connections to who can send you message request. So your followers on Instagram can send you follow request. So this is how you can change it to don't receive request, or you can get your request from Instagram followers. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. Also, don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.